What is sudden hearing loss? How to spot it and what to do? Hello and welcome. Today we are addressing sudden hearing loss. One moment your hearing feels normal and the next a part of your world goes silent. So what is it and how do you recognize it? And most importantly, what should you do if it happens to you or someone close to you? Let's get into it. Sudden hearing loss is a rapid loss of hearing, typically in one ear or both the ears. Audiologists refer to it as sudden sensory neural hearing loss. It usually occurs either instantly or over the course of few hours to days. People often notice it when they wake up and realize they can't hear well from one ear, or when they try to use a phone and find that sound is significantly muffled on one side. This isn't the type of hearing loss that gradually builds over time. It's abrupt, and that's why it should always be treated as a medical emergency. The faster it's diagnosed and treated, the better the chances of recovery. So, how can you spot it? The most obvious sign is a sudden drop in hearing ability in one ear, but there are other symptoms too. You might experience a feeling of fullness in the ear, or dizziness or ringing sensation. Some describe it as their ears suddenly shut off. You must keep in mind that this condition can sometimes be mistaken for earwax. For earwax buildup, congestion from a cold, or even pressure from altitude changes. That's why any rapid change in hearing should be taken seriously, even if it seems minor. So, what causes sudden hearing loss? Well, it can come out of nowhere, triggered by things like viral infection, circulation issues in the inner ear, autoimmune responses, head injuries, even side effects from certain medications. But here's the twist: in many cases, doctors can't find a clear cause at all. That's when it's called idiopathic sudden hearing loss. Basically, it happens without a known reason, and that can make it even more unsettling. But here's the part you really need to know. No matter what's behind you, early treatment is everything. If you get help within 24 to 72 hours, your chance of getting your hearing back go way up. Waiting too long can reduce the chance of recovery. So it's super important to act fast. What to do if it happens? If you or someone you know experiences sudden hearing loss, don't wait. Seek immediate medical attention, ideally from an audiologist. The most common treatment uses corticosteroids. They are anti inflammatory medications that reduce swelling and inflammation, improving blood flow to the inner ear. Delaying treatment even by few days can seriously reduce the chances of restoring hearing. Never assume it's just a ear infection or wax blockage without professional evaluation. Acting quickly can make all the difference. Always prefer using hearing aids when you have some issues with your hearing. To sum it up, sudden hearing loss is a medical emergency. Recognizing the signs and getting prompt treatment could save your hearing. If you have experienced a sudden change in hearing, don't ignore it. Visit Hearzap.com or download the Hearzap app to book a professional hearing evaluation. Our expert audiologists are here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Stay away, stay healthy.